Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today we're going to read story number 3. Let's read. Camilla was nervous about starting grade 2 at her new school. She didn't know anyone and was worried about making new friends. The teacher introduced her to the class, and everyone welcomed her with friendly smiles. Camilla felt a bit more at ease, but she still worried about fitting in. During class, they learned about growth mindset, which means that it's okay to make mistakes because they'll help us learn and grow. At recess, Camilla saw a group of kids playing on the monkey bars and decided to join in. She fell off a few times, but she remembered what they had learned in class about growth mindset. She kept trying, and eventually she started to get the hang of it. By the end of the day, Camilla was feeling much more confident. She had made a new friends and learned that it's okay to make mistakes as long as she keeps trying. She was excited to see what else she could learn and accomplish in her new school with her new growth mindset. Children, try to answer the following questions. Great job!